Today it's 15th of August in 2025. Today it's about 2:39 p.m. We are the house of Galloway, Tershea. The address is 1009 Stageman Place, Glenburnie, Maryland. The zip code is 21060. The claim number is 2087R662X. And we are on the front slope of the roof. This is the street view right here. If you see, that's the street. And then we're gonna go. This is the back slope of the house. We're gonna try to repair one shingle today, and this shingle is this one right here. That's the one on the dormer. That's the one we're gonna try to repair today. And this is the crease shingle, and the first thing we're gonna seal it. And try to not damage the shingle. If you see, when try to remove the seal, other shingles get damaged. Okay, so okay, you see the other shingles gets damaged. The first thing we do is removing the nail. Yes, removing the nail. That's the one. Oh no, that's the one. Sorry about that. It was so. But it's removing the nails. That's the one. That's the first thing we're gonna do. Remove it. Okay. It's hot today. Okay. And if you see, when we try to repair one shingle, other shingles gets damaged. You see how is the other shingle gets damaged just to repair one shingle, and that's the thing happen with that. Okay, this is the shingle. Right, another. Okay, and this is the old shingle, and if you see, the mat is transferred, and that means this shingle is not good anymore. You see the shingle, the mat transferred, that means the shingle is not good anymore. It's not only that, if we see on the other shingles, the other shingles got damaged. See right here, got damaged. The shingle trying to remove the seal. That's how we get damaged. We try to careful not damage the shingle, and also the ground is coming on the shingles, coming off. And then if we see right here, it's the same thing. The mat is transferred on the shingle, you see, and this shingle now is damaged, this one. And a sample, if I try to fix this one, that's the same thing gonna happen with that. And right now, this is the new shingle. Anyway, I gotta finish it because I already removed that shingle. That's the new shingle. Gotta finish it, but after on the end of this one, I gotta put a tarp on it to make sure it's not gonna leak because you gotta cover from that. Okay, that's how we are doing the nails. That's the new one. This is the new one we're using. New nails, and then the hammer. Okay, that's the way how. It's not that one. Let's see. Try to do another one right here. But it's not only that one happened. The other thing happened is if you see on the edge right here, the edge gets damaged when we remove the nails. And then it's not only like this one got damaged, the shingle on the edges, and also create creases on the other shingles. That's why when it comes to repair, it's impossible to do the repair when it comes to repair this type of shingle. On this situation, the mat got transferred, and now the shingle, this one, it's not good anymore. If you can you see the shingle, it's not good anymore, and the mat is transferred, and right here too, the mat is transferred, have a hole. The shingle got damaged on the edge, this one and this one, and also if you see, all of the granules came off on this shingle, and also if you were seeing it on this one right here, granules came off, maybe because the shadow we're seeing the shadow right now, but all of these granules came off, the shingle got damaged, and the mat transferred, like if you see this one right here. And then it's not only that, if we go on this point, this we got one shingle right here damaged, and this is a woven valley. On the woven valley, if you see, one shingle goes under it and another one goes over it. It's impossible to do the repair on this valley because this shingles goes inside and then the other ones across. And then also if we're gonna do like a repair on this, we gotta install ice and water shield on the valley, and also it's tied into it. And also I'm gonna explain about if we try to do like a repair on those shingles, we're gonna damage more shingles like on these ones. We're gonna damage more shingles around this, more shingles around this, and also we're gonna remove the ridge band. We're gonna remove the ridge band, we'll remove the ridge cap on this one, and then on this one have another one in the valley. It's a woven valley, you see? The one is go under it and then the other one is go across it. On the valley, we're gonna install ice and water shield, 18-inch on the one side and the 18-inch on the other side. It's impossible to do a repair on the valley. You see, that's the simulation of repair. Instead of repairing shingles or one shingle, we're gonna damage more shingles. My suggestion on this roof is a full roof replacement. As a contractor, and also And also my recommendation on this one as a professional, it's a full roof replacement. And also on this one, if you see on this one, it's a missing shingle. And a missing shingle, they have a leak right here right now, but we're gonna tarp it. And you see the mastic, the caulk right here around it. If you will remove this one, we gotta to remove this, it's gonna damage shingle around it. You see the mastic right here. And also we're gonna remove the panels right here on this side. And it's impossible to do the repair like in this condition. Like if you see, it's a missing shingle right here, and on that missing shingle we need to remove the panels. My suggestion on this one is a full roof replacement, due to if you will repair one shingle, creates more damage around the other shingles. Thank you and have a great day.